how are we gonna open this guy up? Oh, it's got some styrofoam. There's a spitter. Oh man, a hole went through the box. And dented my radiator. I don't know. Alright, so I sent the seller a message and sent pictures of the item. I guess before I try it, if they want to exchange it, I can ship it back to them. It's kind of annoying, but I'll pull this radiator and make sure they match up anyways. It looks like they will. So, I'm glad I bought that other reservoir because I picked this one up and my thumb went through plastic right there. So, really glad we bought that. This thing's just brittle. Alright, so it looks like these rads are gonna match up. What is that hole down there for? What's supposed to hook into that? Because I don't have it, whatever it is. That's your relief valve. The one on that one has a hose, so you don't have to undo it all the way. What is that guy? It's got two of them. Alright, so we got this vacuumed out. I know it's kind of hard to see, but there was a bunch of acorns back there. Still got some back there, but my hose wouldn't reach all the way back. But I did clean up a lot of this. Finer detailing could be done, yes, but like I said, I just got a big opening on it, so yeah, we'll put the intake on now. Please tell me it was recording on the GoPro. Oh my God. It died, but it ran. It ran. All right, so as you guys saw, the truck did crank. I think it might be the fuel filter. Maybe why it's not getting any gas, but the fuel filter is right here. So my grandpa's gonna stop on his way home from work, grab a new one from AutoZone, and we'll get this swapped out. But all it is, it's held in this little holder right here, and it's got two ends coming out the front. So I'm gonna get this took off and we'll take a look at it. All right guys, so after about 15 minutes of working this off, trying not to tear the hose, we got it off. Now I just need a new one. Got gas in it. Alright, so my grandpa just dropped off the new fuel filter. We're gonna put this fuel filter on, and hopefully if you want to know how to do it, I will figure it out with you. Alright, so I took a picture of it before I pulled it all the way off. So the hose that is hanging directly off of the tank goes out, the other one goes in. So you got that little holder up there, and we will set that in and hopefully it will work. Alright, so I got it hooked up. Now all it's left to do is put it back in that retainer, and then there is a little twist that I undid. If I can feel it. Okay, I got it. And it should be wrapped around both of them. If you can see it up there, I'm not sure if you can, but there's a little twist. I don't know if that one's in the way. A little twist up there. I need to twist that around it and lock it in. And now the little twist is done. Let's see what happens. A little fuel. Cross our fingers.